Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another buying $1 of Bitcoin everyday update. Today is day number 487. Okay, so here we are on Cash App. This is the app that I use to do this experiment. If you're interested in Cash App, you can sign up with the link in the description and get $5 for free. I also have tons of Cash App tutorials and experiments on the channel, so feel free to check those out as well. Real quick, I want to shout out another app that I've been playing with. This is called Owlet Finance. It's the highest interest rate savings account in the game. You can see them getting 8.34% APR, which is super high. You know, banks are only like 0.25%. So definitely check this app out as well. If you sign up with my link in the description and deposit $5, you'll get $5 bonus for free. Back over to Cash App, let's hop to the investment tab. We've got stocks and Bitcoin. We want to make sure we're on Bitcoin. Bitcoin currently sitting at $9,681, up about 3% on the week, up about 4% on the month, but moving sideways pretty much, up 22% on the year, still continuing to move sideways for the past couple years or so. But I think Bitcoin's doing good. I posted a video yesterday explaining some of the ways that I think about Bitcoin. So check that out if you're interested. It goes a lot more in depth on why I choose to invest. But here I'm just doing an experiment where I dollar cost average $1 per day. So let's go ahead and tap the buy button. We're gonna tap the three dots, type in $7. We do $7 a week every Friday, just because that's easier than purchasing $1 each day. It's going to give us our order details. We got the 3% fee still, which kind of sucks, but we got to do what we got to do. Tap confirm. And just like that, I've added 0.0007 BTC to my balance. Tap done. We can scroll down here. We'll see my total Bitcoin owned is 0.066. That activity tab will refresh there soon. Check out all of these ones where I purchased $7. I used to get 0.0009, and it continues to slowly go down as Bitcoin climbs. So that brings me to $644.40. Let's go ahead and open up the calculator here. 644.40 divided by 487 days equals a 1.32x on my investment. So that is good. I'm happy with that. Just going to continue to dollar cost average Bitcoin. I think prices anything under 10K is super cheap, but I'm not an advisor or anything, so do your own research. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard. You might win.